Pork tenderloin is a nice lean cut of meat that cooks quickly and is adaptable to many different seasonings. In this recipe, the pork is marinated in a sauce of chipotle chilies and adobo, a little olive oil and soy sauce or tamari, and then roasted with grapes to create a wonderful sweet but slightly spicy sauce. The tenderloin only takes about 20 minutes to cook, and you can roast some vegetables along at the same time for an easy convection meal. You have many options. You could do a combination of potatoes with Brussels sprouts and carrots, or you could do like I am and roasting some squash, and you could add in kale. I'm going to actually saute some dandelion greens. The cooking time for the pork is approximately 20 minutes, and I'm planning to rest it for a few minutes before slicing. Now, the vegetables will be almost done by the time I take the pork out of the oven, but I'm going to, when I take the pork out of the oven, I'm going to increase the temperature from 350 to 400 for a few minutes while the pork is resting and being sliced, so they get a little extra caramelization. That's what we like about roasted vegetables. They have so much flavor. When using the convection roast or convection bake mode, the more powerful heat in the oven will come from the bottom. So placing the vegetables in the lower part of the oven is going to give you the best results with getting caramelization, and yet you still get that nice browning and searing on the pork. So, convection meals are easy. Convection keeps the moisture in the food, so flavor, texture, everything is better with convection. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos, and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.